Unleash your ride's true potential with a cold air intake that transforms performance dramatically. Keep watching to discover how. Introducing the Cold Air Intake Kit, designed specifically for the 2011-2021 Dodge Charger with a 3.6L V6 engine. Imagine boosting horsepower and torque by up to 10%, giving your vehicle that extra kick on the road. Crafted from durable T304 lightweight aluminum, this intake is engineered for superb filtration and exhilarating airflow. Experience enhanced throttle response and a deep, sporty sound that makes every drive an adventure you won't forget. Installation is a breeze, requiring only basic tools, allowing most to complete it in under an hour. Say goodbye to frequent filter replacements. This washable filter only needs cleaning every 50,000 miles under normal conditions. Why settle for factory performance? Upgrade for better acceleration, improved fuel economy, and a throaty engine note. Hear from satisfied customers praising the noticeable sound improvement and power gains after installation. Transform your Charger today with this essential upgrade, where performance meets style at an unbeatable value.